You know, for folks that are still traveling today, we're going to have some trouble spots because of what's happening across the Great Lakes. That lake effect snow machine is in full glory this morning. But to be quite honest, when we look at the forecast, I think we're going to have bigger problems getting home from Thanksgiving dinner than we did getting to Grandma's house. I mean, look at these scenes just getting to the dinner table. Yesterday, Minnesota was a mess, Wisconsin as well. We had a storm move through, producing a lot of snow. And now the lake effect snow is just adding on top of it. Well, how about a third whammy? Why not? The Midwest is waking up to brand new winter storm watches that are being issued across Illinois and Indiana in preparation of our after Thanksgiving Day winter storm. Here's a look at the snow projections that we're looking at. And again, this has nothing to do with the snow on the ground from round number 1 or the lake effect snow that's happening right now as we speak. We're going to have an additional 12 to 18 inches, folks. That's a lot of snow. This would be a big enough storm to make the headlines with or without Thanksgiving locked up in the scenario. But the fact that it is a holiday stretch, it makes it even worse. So here's the winter storm watches. Again, this is going to continue to be a busier map. We're going to see a lot more offices come online. Right now, we got it for Des Moines, Chicago, even moving into central parts of Illinois. The second storm has colder air locked up in it, has a more southerly trajectory, which means a lot more folks are going to see heavy snow. And Craig, having all that moisture come in from the south not only increases the ice potential with that nasty wintry mix for the I-80 corridor, but also it means that our snow totals are going to be higher.
Yeah, no kidding. And you see how widespread that ice scene is, the pink that you see on there. And then look at the north or all of the Great Lakes as we go in through Saturday into Sunday, and then eventually portions of New England off the Great Lakes, off of Erie and Ontario, same story. Britta, this is snow on top of snow, and with the wind, possibly some icy conditions in spots, bridges and overpasses. It's not often that we show the red icon for major delays at airports. This is going to be for Saturday, Chicago included in that. You'll have snow. Once
We're not
snow
talking
passes,
about a delay setup, guys.
No.
We're talking about canceled flights.
Yeah, and this could
There's
be...
no way we're not going to have a huge issue in Chicago come Saturday.
No, you're right. And after the snow, we're going to have the wind.
Yeah.
So even once we're done with
Sunday,
the snow, it's still...
probably midday, the snow will move out.
Man.
But yeah, I mean, the wind's going to be a big problem.
Yeah.
This is how much snow we're talking about for Chicago. So 8 to 12 inches of snow, higher totals looking like they're going to be to the north. That means if we got 8 to 12, we're going for the number 2 spot in top 5 snowiest 2-day stretches in November history. We haven't had this much snow for Chicago in the month of November in well over 10 years. So this is going to be something that locals are talking about. On average, November for Chicago, you guys average less than 2 inches. You're going to get 8 to 12.
Yeah, you're going to get your January total potentially.
in one storm in November, to say the least. We'll end on this. I want to show you the temperature profile just to let you know that the snow that has fallen and the snow that's going to fall this weekend is not going anywhere. It is very cold. It's below freezing. You're going to have to get out there and shovel, so take it in stride.